to the virtual drive. I'm pretty excited today because I just bought my next Ferrari product. Apart from these bag and valet, I just bought this Ferrari watch. I'm super excited to unbox and wear one of it. I'm a Ferrari fan, so let me go ahead and unbox my next product. So the packing is very good. I mean, you have a carbon fiber kind of look on the outside cover, and after that it's here, the Scuderia Ferrari watch. The packaging is pretty beautiful. I couldn't find a product number for this, but I guess this should be the serial number, and it says it's made in China. I mean, I think the box is made in China. I was surprised. I hope this watch is made in Italy. Now let's go ahead and it's unboxing time. Ooh, there it is. So this is the Ferrari watch that I bought. So let's go ahead and remove it outside and let's see what's in the box. The box is very premium. It's very premium. On the inside you have a manual, again with the Ferrari logo. What else? So it says it's basically some instructions. It's not a manual. It's basically some so let's go back to the watch here. It looks beautiful, and you have the sponge here. Let's go ahead and remove it. Wow. So it basically has I think this one over here, it shows the day, which day of the week it is, and I guess this should be the moon, because I couldn't find any manuals about it. I really couldn't find out the specs. I think this should be the moon phase indicator. You have about 30 days on it, and this one is white and this is black, so I guess this should be telling you about the phase of the moon. And this is the 24-hour clock. What hour are you in now? And let's look at the strap. It's very thick, and this one is again beautiful. You have this protrusion with the Scuderia Ferrari logo, which goes and locks to your strap. This one is very beautifully done. I've already been wearing this watch. This is in a real unboxing. It's been a week, so I was thinking what made this watch very premium and expensive when compared to the other watches. Of course, it's not too much loaded with technology in here, but Ferrari, they have a reputation for their logo. Apart from that, what's special with this watch? I mean, I've been wearing a lot of watches. I even have a G-Shock. Those watches, when you wear it the whole night, you definitely feel your wrist pain, and you also feel that you are wearing a watch. There's a stupid crow outside, but with this one it feels so soft. The strap is very good and it sticks to your hand, but you really have no idea if you're wearing the watch or not. It's so comfortable on your wrist. On the back it's a stainless steel. On the back it's a stainless steel. It's water resistant to 3 atmospheres and 30 meters. All stainless steel back, and you have a Scuderia Ferrari logo. And you have the Scuderia Ferrari logo at the rear. I guess this should be the model number. It's SF01 1.47.0306. So overall it's a pretty awesome watch. And also I was trying to set the time, and when you rotate this knob over here, it feels so seamless and premium. You don't feel any play in it. It's just like rolling a ball bearing. There should be ball bearings inside them. It kind of feels that way. It's a very premium watch. I don't think this one is available in Amazon, but if I find, I would surely link it to you. And again, let me show you the strap. There's a Scuderia Ferrari logo here, and with some racing stripes, and also on the other side. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye bye.